Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of my Cartier bracelet. A while back I did an unboxing of my Cartier bracelet, so if you haven't checked out that unboxing, definitely go check it out. So I've been wearing this bracelet every day and it's quickly become one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. So I figured I'd share my review and thoughts with you. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be talking about my diamond bracelet from Cartier. So of course I'll put all the details and the full name below, but this bracelet is a white gold diamond bracelet. It has a tiny diamond. This is the extra small diamond. This bracelet comes in a few sizes, but I do have the extra small size, so I wanted to emphasize that for reference. Even though it is the extra small size, I do feel as though the diamond is definitely substantial. I picked this up right when I hit 1K on YouTube, so it was like a little celebratory purchase for me, and I have been actually loving Cartier. I've been obsessed with Cartier since I picked up my Cartier ring last year, so I definitely wanted to treat myself to a little Cartier, and I decided to go with a bracelet. So I have been looking for a diamond bracelet that I can wear every day, and this just fit the bill. Cartier packages everything in the box. When you open the box, it's like a box with a little slit on it, and that's the actual jewelry box. So this is the jewelry box, which always has the little button there, and then the jewelry is inside, and it's a really beautiful box, guys. So everything with Cartier is the beautiful details. Of course, this is the actual tag that was on my bracelet at the time of purchase. It has the Cartier logo on it, and it says not returnable if removed. So it's just kind of like the tag to indicate that the bracelet is brand new and never worn. So you would need to keep that on if you decide to return or exchange. I also received this little velvet pouch with a little pillow, so you can actually put the bracelet on the pouch. Cartier red. You open it up, it says Cartier there, and inside is a little pillow. You would put your bracelet on and store it. The travel though, because it does have some pockets back here, Cartier pieces for travel and storage, because you want to make sure when you're not wearing it, you are storing it. I've been wearing this bracelet every day since I purchased it. I actually don't take it off. I do, however, maintain it with the little Cartier cleaning kit. So when you do purchase Cartier items, they do give you this little cleaning set. So it comes in the Cartier box, and inside you have the lotion for jewelry and watches, which is like a spray with a little brush to clean and polish your jewelry, and also with a cloth that you would use to clean your jewelry. It also comes with a little booklet, and the booklet talks about caring for your different jewelry items and how to look after them. So, and the last thing my item came with was, of course, the Cartier booklet, which is the certificate of authenticity, and it explains when my item was purchased. It has my unique serial number for my item. So yeah, this is kind of your certificate of authenticity. You definitely want to keep this. That's everything that comes with your Cartier jewelry purchase. My thoughts. Honestly, I think this is a really great entry-level piece of jewelry in general. Is great for everyday use. I think it's one of those items that transcends age categories, and it's just something that's a classic piece that anyone could wear, as well as in any setting. So it's just a little hint of sparkle, and I just love it. So one thing I want to mention is this beautiful Cartier like charm that's on the ends of the bracelet there, and it's not very distinctive of being Cartier besides that charm on the back. Again, unlike some of other Cartier jewelry pieces, this particular collection, the diamond, it's really dainty, it's really subtle, and I love that, especially for everyday use. I do think it's one of those classic pieces of jewelry that I can literally wear forever, and it'll never go out of style. So I'm very happy with the purchase. And as far as it also being an entry-level purchase, because like I said, it would transcend age, I think it also the price point of this is really great as far as being an entry-level Cartier item, especially the fact that it is white gold and it has a diamond. So I did want to mention, because I've noticed since I've been wearing my bracelet, I have been wearing the necklace I'm wearing today more regularly. This necklace is not a Cartier necklace. This necklace is actually from Mejuri. This necklace is from Mejuri, but it literally has the same exact look of the Cartier bracelet, similar to the Cartier necklace from the same collection as my bracelet. Literally everything's the same, down to the charm on the clasp. Instead of it saying Cartier, it says Mejuri. I have received questions on Instagram and in comments, is this the Cartier necklace that matches? And it is not. This is a Mejuri necklace. Looking for something similar but are not interested in Cartier necessarily, you may want to look into Mejuri as well. It is kind of like literally the same exact design. Of course, the Mejuri bracelet and the Mejuri necklace are significantly less than the Cartier price. If you're interested in Cartier or Cartier price point, check out Mejuri. Similar. So I'll put the information below so you guys can check it out, because I thought that was important to note, since I did have people notice how similar the two pieces of jewelry were. If you love Cartier, I wanted to remind you that I am running a Cartier giveaway. It's ongoing. I'm going to be announcing the winner of that giveaway once I do hit 5K. So if you want to check out that giveaway and you want to enter, I'll put the details below so you can click on that video and check it out. But you can enter as many times as you'd like, so I would just occasionally pop over and enter again if you're interested in that giveaway. So guys, that's it. Those are my thoughts on my Cartier bracelet. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.